Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I'm Jennifer. I'm an esthetician and I also own a skincare line called Bauer Beauty. It's all of you guys who like my videos and comment and subscribe. It really means so much to me, so thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm going out of town this weekend. I'm going to Miami and I have not actually traveled in over a year now, and so I am fucking elated, especially because, let's see if you can see, it's snowing right now in Michigan, which actually I love the snow, but it will be nice to get into the hot weather and get out and get a break. I have been working this whole year without really any breaks. Like, I actually used to travel full-time with my job, so this is like the longest that I ever have not been traveling, and that was fine. I quit traveling before traveling became like, you know, not a thing anymore with COVID. I kind of quit traveling because I was like, I need to focus. I need to keep up with this momentum that I have with my business and blah, blah, blah. But now that my business is good to go, I can work from anywhere. I want to start traveling more. So I'm going to Miami and I wanted to show you guys the skincare products that I'm bringing to Miami and why I make the decisions I make when I pack skincare. Before we hop into this, if you're interested in any of my social media channels, everything will be linked below. I have TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, podcast, you name it. And then I also have my skincare products, which I sell on Amazon, and my own website. And I'm also doing a giveaway, a 10K giveaway on my Instagram. I will be announcing that soon, probably early next week. So if you're interested, make sure you're following my Instagram for updates on that. The first thing is, every time I travel, I like to travel as light as possible. So anything that's travel size, I like to keep that in mind. I'm not going to pack my biggest, bulkiest products. I want to pack products that are kind of versatile and small if possible. First thing I'm bringing is this Indeed Labs Hydroluron Cleanser, because this cleanser really gets everything off. You don't really need a toner when you use this type of cleanser even. Plus it's like hotter and more humid in Miami, and so I might need this because this cleanser, it's almost has like a micro foam to it. It gets your skin so damn clean that I don't use it every day, but in this type of situation, because it's small, compact, lightweight, and it's really effective at getting makeup and sweat and SPF off and everything like that, I'm bringing this cleanser. I'm also bringing an oil cleanser, obviously. I'm bringing my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm because I have the travel size version of this, and this is like a really versatile, really efficient cleansing balm that you can, you know, the regular one is kind of big, but the travel size one is perfect. Okay, then I'm bringing my niacinamide toner from Good Molecules, and I still had the travel size, so I just refilled this bottle from like my full size. I just refilled this. By the way, I just cut my hand on those Vichy fucking ampules. Those are a liability. There was a piece of glass stuck in the thing, stuck in the dispenser. Like, how was I supposed to know that? A like teeny tiny piece of glass got stuck and cut me. So that's really annoying. Other than that, I have been loving that product, by the way. Okay, so yeah, bringing the niacinamide toner because definitely want to make sure I get all my makeup and SPF off from the day if I need it. But it's the tiny one, so you know, it's okay. Also, I want to, by the way, make sure everything is under 4 ounces because I take carry-ons every time I travel. Next, I'm bringing these Dewdrops by Glow Recipe because I just got them, and I think Miami would be like the perfect place to wear these because it's all about the no makeup look. You know, during the day it's like hot, you don't really want to wear makeup, you just wear SPF and a little bit of this. This is like a luminous serum. It has glycerin, it has niacinamide, it has a few different plant extracts, and it'll be really good either to layer under my sunscreen or even to put in specific areas, you know, to highlight after the sunscreen's on. So I think Miami's like the perfect place to try this, and I just got it, so I'm excited. Okay, next I'm bringing these Nano Bronzing Drops by Indeed Labs. This is like a bronzing serum that you can either mix with your moisturizer and just give that like nice tan glow. I'm gonna go get a spray tan today, but I don't spray my face ever. I find it easier because I use so many exfoliants just to leave my face untouched and then use a product like this, or I have the Jergens Natural Glow as well, which I'll probably be bringing. That's like the one you put on every day that progressively makes you darker and darker every day. So yeah, these Nano bronzing drops are really nice. I'll show you. This is what they look like, and then they spread out. A little bit goes a long way, but you have to spread it out and rub it in, and it just gives you like a really natural looking tan. It's like fucking amazing. Okay, next I'm bringing my beloved CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream, because this is the best, like most comprehensive moisturizer for night and day. You can just, it's thick, but it doesn't make me greasy at all, especially during the day. I just take a little bit and put it on wet skin or over my vitamin C, and it just absorbs perfectly. It does not leave me greasy. It doesn't sit on top of the skin or anything, but at night when I want something a little thicker, I can also layer it on and make it thicker. So this is a really versatile product, and it's also very small and lightweight. Next, I'm bringing Indeed Labs Vitamin C 24. It's, you know, it's really potent. I'm probably not going to use it every single day, but it is really potent and small and lightweight, easy to bring. Okay, I'm going to bring this Naturium Azelaic Acid because this is a very gentle exfoliant. You know, I'm going to be in the sun, so I don't really want to use many actives, but this is like a very gentle, mild active. You'll get a little bit of exfoliation, but this also has caffeine, niacinamide, and vitamin C, so it'll be really good for brightening too. And I'll probably use this at night under my moisturizer. Next, I'm bringing my Peptide Serum because this is going to be really good to boost hydration. Miami is a really like warm, humid climate, so anytime you're in a humid climate, you want to apply humectants. This has a lot of humectants in it. It's aloe based, it has peptides, it has hyaluronic acid, and it really helps to just absorb into the skin cells and plump everything up. So this is like the perfect kind of serum to use in like a humid climate. Okay, I'm bringing my Aven eye cream because it's definitely my favorite eye cream. I do have several eye creams I'm using right now. The girl who doesn't use eye creams has like 10 eye creams right now. And I am wearing this. I'm bringing this because I think it's my most effective. And I can only bring one eye cream. So this is it. Okay, I'm bringing 3 different sunscreens. This is a Sunscreen Tinted SPF by SkinCeuticals. This is like for days where I just like, I'm not gonna do makeup, but I just like wanna wake up and just have like a really nice, light, dewy complexion with a little bit of coverage. This is for days when I am going to do makeup. This is the Supergoop Unseen. This is a clear SPF. And then this is the SPF, like for example, if I'm laying out, this is the type of SPF I'm gonna use. This is the Biossance Sheer Zinc sunscreen. And I just got this, so I'm just anxious to try it. And this would also be for days where I just wake up and want to put on sunscreen real quick, but maybe I don't want a tinted one. Maybe I want one with a little bit more moisture. So that is the 3rd SPF I'm bringing. And this is something I also can use on my hands. Okay, and I'm also bringing this Watermelon Glow Spray. And this is going to be for the plane, for sure. I carry this on. And then I also can spray this throughout the day if I want like a little burst of, just like a little refresher, you know? But I used to carry my Tatcha one around, but I actually can't find it, and this reminds me of the Tatcha one. So I think that's it. That's like all the skincare products I'm bringing, and I just put them in this little container here. And I will carry on my sunscreen too in my backpack. So I have like my roller suitcase, and then I have my backpack. And I'll put these two in my backpack because I want access to them. I want access to my sunscreen because the flight's 2 hours, so I'm going to want to reapply my sunscreen. And then I'll definitely want to refresh this like a couple times on the plane, I'm sure. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. By the time you're watching this, I'll already be on the plane. I leave tomorrow at 8:30, so I'm gonna post this video tomorrow, which is Thursday, and I get home Sunday. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.